Hi, welcome to my channel, Val's Keto Life. On this channel, what I want to do is I want to bring you recipes that maybe you hadn't thought of, recipes that you thought of and you just thought, how will I change that to keto? And then just fun stuff, like a keto cheesecake topped, very seasonal, with a cranberry topping, no sugar added. And just talk about how you make a keto cheesecake. Okay. Let me say just for a second. The slight bitterness of the cranberries and the sweet of this cheesecake, they just are married to each other. Just wonderful. Just wonderful. But these are the things I'm going to do. Now, you'll notice that there is a playlist on my channel of a bunch of keto recipes that I did on my drone channel. Because yes, I am also fly drones. And so I decided to break off and start this channel so I can keep them very separate. So again, welcome. And I'm so glad you're here. And I hope to see you on Val's Keto Life. Bye.